don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. TV, it's the KF Confed Cup. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Zesco 0. I'm joined by the Marginator.
Stibo.
Me and you.
What did you know?
From demo. He's absent. He's absent.
You knew nothing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
Stibo.
yeah.
Firstly, looking at the game, Lilepo scored.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if I should say wonderful goal, but it's just a goal, man. It's Lilepo.
Irregular.
It's not important.
Yeah. It's regular.
No, it's not important. But Zesco, man. Zesco, they're struggling financially, emotionally, and psychologically.
Exactly.
Yeah, so
Exactly.
now you understand. So
But
now
you
you
pass from Zambia.
yes, from Zimbabwe.
Damn, they are tired.
So yeah, they're tired.
fatigue.
So you're playing a fatigued team.
Yes.
Open.
Yes.
But let's not neglect the fact that there was a clean sheet here.
Yes, yeah, Peterson.
First game,
Yeah.
okay, maybe not. Second game, fifth,
Yeah.
6,
Yeah.
number 7,
Yeah.
10 games, maybe it's a fluke. Mara mfethu ka Samputu Peterson is a fluke. 15 games.
Ay, di pa.
15.
Di pa. Yeah.
Oh, Peterson is not a fluke. Bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then they further say, yeah, Peterson is not yet tested. Guys, Peterson is HIV free. Who test one? Who test one? What do you want?
That is enough. Le pandang ne di muchunya.
In fact, what more do you expect out of this guy?
Hey.
This guy has proven himself.
Yeah. Yeah.
Understand?
Give her.
Like it's not like Kaizer Chiefs Real Madrid or something. Obviously, Pirates is Real Madrid.
Yes.
That's why Vanishas before arts and go gaming.
Yeah.
Olebella the video some Muremi.
Seriously.
Adi checker Muremi udlala kanjani and then he goes through. Mara we belela ka Spain.
Yeah.
Ne? And then before Bargman Mbappe atsena.
Yeah.
A checker Eric check Mfukeng Rudirlin today, Udiran Jojo. What do I understand? I check from there, but no. Remember, Pelagiri, you Real Madrid development ya Pirates.
Is it?
You don't know that?
They didn't know. Anxiety.
I give up on you.
God.
I give up on you.
No, it's what the guy.
Development of Orlando.
Yes.
But it's a Taboche.
No, that's not the source.
Who's your source?
My source is
it Mazo?
all gold. But anyway, all I'm saying, today I didn't feel safe because of what happened yesterday. So obviously I brought
Your bouncer.
the bouncer here with me.
What's it, Moban?
Hey, in fact,
Hey.
ke bone ke pushwa.
Yeah.
Ne?
Yeah.
And I got the way ke pushweng ka ona.
I'll shop an interview.
Ke shapile but ke shapile under duress. Wakush. Under duress.
No, guess who?
Yeah, shapile under duress. So I was like, no, yes, it wasn't ideal. Oban.
Once I remember from Lee.
Yes. So with that being said, I realized like guys, this Kaizer Chiefs team.
No push what much wrong.
They won't touch it.
No, it's all under the push. Yeah.
So with that being said, I've realized already, Kaizer Chiefs, entirely the whole team. Yes, we don't like them, we don't like what, but they are not a fluke.
As a fluke, Rodman.
As a fluke, in fact, 15 games, clean sheet
In a row.
Damn. That's not a fluke. And in fact, to Reina, by the way, we're playing in an arena.
Yeah.
Mara, I only wish one thing.
Okay.
Imagine if we took Moses Mabhida.
Yeah.
Moses Mabhida, did you see the stadium?
Yes.
Do you know how the stadium looks like?
Yes.
Imagine if that was a home game or home stadium
Yeah.
of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
And then we call it an arena.
Yeah.
Hayi lesibaya or le hoko le.
Yeah, ya lekhosi.
Hayi le sidlala kuyo le.
Oh, yeah. Orlando Stadium.
Hayi akare Orlando. Ke rena sibaya se re dlala ngo sona. Le hoko. Sefahla se re dlala ngo sona.
Ke sebare.
Okay, let me just say, no. Let me just put it like this. No, wapa. No, tell it. I'm just saying like, I'm just saying like, at least a 10 million readjustment
Yes.
of that place would definitely qualify it more. I'm not saying it's not an arena, but would qualify it more as an arena. Like, you understand?
Yeah.
Would have like managers, technical directors
Of the arena.
Of the arena.
Yes.
But
yes.
re kawate le nyana because no re mos fahleng. Wa bona? Yeah. So I hoko inokusibamba kancane but
Yeah. No, fandak linsa diva.
but si happy si happy.
Yeah.
Start league.
Yeah.
Start kwasana.
Sure. Ke
Umaraba Start United must pay his way to everything.
Yes.
Kine, we don't have to pay anything.
You don't pay for anything.
We don't pay for anything.
They are straight.
All we do is we are happy.
Yeah.
And so to close this, Stibo, congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs.
Wow.
They beat a struggling, financially hungry team.
Ne passage.
Ay bala.
Before game.
Oh, phela batho bala badule guest house, not even in a hotel.
Oh,
No, they were in a guest house.
Bro,
I've got
Fire and
connections.
ice.
I've got connections. I know these things. I know what's going on in the industry.
Hey.
This is my industry.
Yeah.
Those people, they were not even in a hotel.
They were in a guest house.
They were in a guest house. Bed and breakfast, B&B.
Florida Road guest house.
B&B. And Baba Betira Gamai out. Baba Kira Gamai out oil. Yeah, working sunflower flora.
No, Marandana, no. That's unfair.
This
That
is
means
what-
Banaliza.
Next.
No, Banaliza.
They are a struggling team.
No.
You can't
I
do this.
believe in it ya pass. No,
No,
nizwe kubani. Nizwe ngothabo. Nizwe ngothabo.
I don't feel
I told you
safe.
about
man.
your sauce.
I don't feel safe when my bodyguard is laughing. Like,
But otherwise it's Tibo. Congratulations to Kaizer Chiefs. Otherwise I'm the one.
when I support
So
Ke Sundowns.
no,
Eric Utsemeno,
due to
usupport
my work, ngumsebenzi wami Steve angeke ngisichaze ukuthi ngisupporta yini, but otherwise congratulations to amakhosi. Ngazi ukuthi le Lepo is a short time, middle time or a long time goal scorer, but Kaizer Chiefs must watch out between Lepo and Modi. Those boys are full of scoring goals. And then Peterson, yeah.
Tibo, now here's my last words. Here's my last words. Snow White, can you please, by all means, by all trajectory of every direction, can you please recognize Peterson? Peterson is not a fluke.
Thank you.
15 clean sheets is not a fluke. Fluke is a mouth.